Welcome back to the Inventor tutorial. In previous video, we managed to finish our first activity, and here I am coming with the second activity. And I can tell you both activities are almost same. Here we have a different solid, that's all. But by doing this thing, you're gonna learn more things on sketching. So as you're seeing, we have a very nice solid here, and all the units that you're seeing is in inches. So to start with, go to new, and we know that it is in inches. So once it's load the template, choose English template and standard inches under the part module, and just click on create and wait. So it take a moment to load. Now we are ready for start our sketching. So on the top left corner, go here, start 2D sketch as usual. And now look at the solid. So if you choose the horizontal plane, it will be easier to handle this sketch. That's the reason I'm going to choose horizontal. And from the origin, you can see your X coordinate is in this direction along with that short edge. So let me choose horizontal plane over here, which is XZ plane, and choose that one. And as per the sketch, you can see this edge is along the X coordinate. That's the only thing that you need to focus on, in which direction that you're aligning the solid. And by the way, you can draw in any direction. It's all about the convenience. So let me check where is my X coordinate is moving downwards. You can see it here. So start from that point, and we have to move 1 inch in this direction. So as always, choose the line, and here either you can click here or simply hit on L on your keyboard. It will pick the line, and just start from the origin, click this direction, make sure it is vertical and it is 1 inch. Enter. We're done with that. You can use the scroller to adjust the screen and click on the wheel to move it. And then in this direction, then after we're gonna move 2.5 and the same distance 2.5 in this direction as well. So let me go 2.5 in this direction, and moving this way, make sure it is 90 degrees, same distance 2.5, and that's it. And return back to the question, and we're gonna move this way, which is 1 inch. Should be in this direction. I'm gonna put 1 inch, and that's it. So we reach over here, and inside you can see there is a small cut going in there. So to get that dimension, it is actually not mentioned here. It should be 0.5 inch. So this distance is 0.5. I'm gonna put 0.5 here. Sure it is perpendicular. Enter. And then in this way, we're gonna move 1 inch, which is available. Should be 1 inch. Now from here, you can see this distance is 1. Make it 1. And then we're moving this way, and that is again 1. 1. That's it. So here, some of the dimension can easily catch from the bottom profile itself. If it is not available, check on the top because it's the same. And when you reach here, you have to return all the back, which is 4 inch. And I can see it is 4 inch. You can see 4 inch perpendicular line. Just click and return back and join with the origin. That's it. So we are done with the profile. You can inspect the profile before you finishing the sketch. So everything went fine. So once you're done with your 2D sketch, as usual, go to the top right corner, just click here, finish sketch. And you know that how to get the sketch back properly, just click here, back home. So on the top right, I would like to show you one more option for the zoom management. So usually we have different zoom management tools here. Usually I put this thing in zoom all. You can choose like zoom window. For example, if you choose zoom window, and then if you define a window, it will zoom into that window. See, if I want to see it carefully, you can simply make the window and keep checking. And if you put in a zoom all option, you can see everything is back on the screen properly arranged. So we have many other options as well. You can zoom the selected, you can zoom here and select the corner, and all those things are based on your requirement. So in this, you are just going through the zooming tool. That's also we're done with the sketch. Then we can make the 3D. So as usual, we can go to extrude. Either you click here or just hit E button on your keyboard, E for extrude. And the extrude option is coming. It's picking the area automatically. And the distance what we want is 3" in Z direction. So I'm gonna put 3" and we are done with that. And you can click here, go back home, everything fine. So lastly, we have to put a color for this thing, the aluminum polished. So the change the color, we didn't do this thing in the last activity. On the top, we have two options. The first one is change the material. In case you want to make some analysis later on, you need to assign a material for this thing. Or sometimes you can simply put a color for this thing. So the colors, various colors are available in the library. You can create your own color as well, but it's always easy to pick something from the library. So here I'm going to put aluminum polished. So just hit A, you will get into aluminum department and choose aluminum polished. You can see the color is changing. So that's it. We are done with that. Once you are done, just click on the save button and then you can save it as per your requirement. I'm going to name it as Activity-2 and save it. So that's it.